Hey guys, it's Ashley, and I'm back with a video today to talk to you about a brand new digital mystery box from Cricut, and this is the Warner Brothers mystery box. In this mystery box, you'll find a ton of different images that you're definitely going to want to play with. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future content, and give this video a thumbs up. We're going to go ahead and start looking at all the different images. Click on Images, which is on the left-hand corner of the screen here. If you're on a mobile device, click on Images on the bottom left-hand corner. It'll bring up the screen here, and then under highlighted categories, you can find something called Image Sets. If you click on that, it brings up all the different sets that are available for Cricut Design Space. For this mystery box, we're going to type in the word Warner. It will bring up some different results. Warner Brothers has different versions of mystery boxes that you can find, or different image sets. There's a bunch of these that are associated specifically with this one. So the first one that's part of this mystery box is the Elf set of images. There are 12 different images. If you click on it, then you can see all of the cute little ones related to the movie Elf. And I really love the cutouts on this. Can you imagine how many DIYs you can make for the holidays? And wouldn't these be super cute for things like you could make a gift bag for this one? You could take this and turn it into an ornament, or maybe even a cute little sign for the holidays. So I'm definitely a fan of this one. I love the amount of details in here. So if you love the movie Elf, this is a great one to check out. This one says, "It's just nice to meet another human that shares my affinity for elf culture." So super cute. And let's go backwards. Let's check out some of the other ones as well. Along the holiday theme, there's also the Warner Brothers A Christmas Story set of images. There are 13 different images. And if you guys have seen this movie, these are the classic, like, iconic images associated with it. The little pink bunny suit, the glasses for Ralphie when he's told, "You'll shoot your eye out, kid." I just really love this. I think it's super cute. They even have the lamp, all of these different features. So really would be adorable to play around with and have fun, especially if you love a good classic movie. Let's go back and see what else there is available. There's also the Warner Brothers Friends Christmas, and this was the one that I was so excited about, guys. If you are a fan of Friends, which I know so many of us are, I feel like it's such a classic rewatchable show, and I have many friends who love this show especially. There's 16 images just in this set, and it's all related to the inside jokes and the fun parts about the TV show Friends. So you can get the little presents, and they have Rachel, Phoebe, Ross, Joey, Chandler, and Monica. Wouldn't that be super cute to have like a little set that you make together? And they have these ones that you can turn into little ornaments where it has all the classic signage for everything. You have the picture frame, the turkey, the Monica Christmas turkey. So there's so much that you could definitely do with these ones. And I'm the holiday armadillo. Super cute. So if you love Friends, you definitely want to pick this one up. I can't decide which one I want to make first, guys. I'm definitely going to make a project with the Friends one right away. And if you scroll down, you'll also see another Friends one. I'm skipping over this one. We'll come back to it. This is the Friends, the television series one. And these are ones that are not just holiday specific. So if you wanted ones that were holiday specific in the set, they have those. And then they have these ones that you can use any time of year. So they have the classic, couch. They have the turkey. How you doing? You're the Rachel to my Monica. They have the sandwich. Just basically everything that makes it really iconic. You are my lobster. Just, super cute. I can see this frame getting a lot of use as well. You're the Joey to my Chandler. The iconic Ross, we were on a break. So many fun ones in here. So if you're a fan of the movie, not movie, but the TV show Friends, definitely check this one out. And not to be forgotten, because I'm a huge Wonder Woman fan too, they have the Wonder Woman Fierce collection. And as you guys know, they have the brand new movie coming out here shortly around the holidays. And I'm really excited to see that. But they have everything kind of themed around this. So can you imagine making some cute t-shirts with pretty much any of these designs? I feel like would be perfect. And I really can't decide which one is my favorite. because I like all of them, I think this one I would definitely start using right away. So tons of images. In this one, there are a total of 10 images. Overall total for all of the different sets that are part of this, you get 89 images. It's $177 of value for $29.99. So if you guys are interested in this one, I will have the link in the description box. It is an affiliate link because I am a Cricut product expert, but it supports my work at no extra cost to you. And because it's digital, you'll get it immediately. So if you do purchase it, you'll just log out of Design Space, log back in, and it should show up and be ready for you to use right away. So what do you guys think of all of the images in here? I think they're super cute. I definitely want to make something with the Friends ones. Which one would you make? Let me know in the comment below so I know what you're interested in making too. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to always leave a comment below and I'm happy to help out. I'll see you guys later.